a Rode mic like this one. Okay. All right. This mic is the Rode NT1. And this baby, I've had it for, I think, 25 years. Just about. Somewhere in that neighborhood. I've had it for a long time. Okay. And this was my go-to mic because you know why? Because it was the only mic I had. And the Rode NT1, and it is made in Australia, as you can see over here. Okay, made in Australia. They don't make them like this anymore. They don't make them with this grayish type of case anymore. This is old school, okay? You might be able to find one on eBay or whatever, but I picked this thing up for, oh man, what was it? A couple $100? Cheap mic. Very affordable, but the quality is awesome. For the price range, it's amazing. And to answer the question very quickly and very easily, yes, you can get away with a mic like this. You do not need a super expensive mic, especially if you're just doing demos, or even if you're not doing demos and you're about to release a song. If you don't have a huge budget, you don't have a huge budget, okay? And that's okay. Amazing records have been produced with, you'd be amazed. Like, I think Bono from U2 uses an SM57. Okay, an SM57 is a $100 mic, $150. It's a dynamic mic. It's from Shure, SM57. You can pick one up. That's what he uses. A lot of artists have actually used an SM57 and SM58. SM58 is more for live gigs and live, concerts, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, what matters the most, of course, is the performance, not so much the recording gear. Although, of course, there is a difference between a Rode NT1 and a Neumann U87, okay, or an AKG C414, or any of the, expensive mics. You're going to hear more detail. You're going to hear more body. You're going to hear more, okay? But that being said, this will do the job 100%.